Camphor can make you rich and success. The strong smell of camphor is loaded with healing properties, while also known for spreading positivity surrounding. The burning of camphor is symbolic of destruction of human ego. Burning camphor also purifies the homes and drive away evil spirit and negative energy. Keep small piece of camphor in your cash box. It's help you to increase your saving and reduce shortages. Keep small piece of camphor in your prayers altar can attract positive and good energy. A small piece of camphor in your wallet also can attract money and success. Small piece of camphor, good quality sandalwood, a pinch of saffron and pure rose water. Mix, make it paste, apply daily as a tilak, bring you success and good luck. Camphor aromatherapy. Burning camphor can purify the air and natural healing, and also it attracts positive energy, prosperity, good luck, happiness, and peace environment. Burning 2 cloves with camphor every day can bring good luck and increase your prosperities. Camphor is the best remedy and way to success, increase the wealth, prosperity and happiness. Subscribe for more updates.